runs, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna pull up here. We'll probably just load it up here.
Go in the street.
Okay.
You can do it up there.
Sounds good.
I'll pull it up.
All right. He seemed offended when I asked if it ran, but those are the questions I have to ask, unfortunately. Oh man. Good old Fountain Hills. The hills of Fountain Hills. I haven't seen a Mustang II in forever, but that's what we're picking up. Convertible, it's got Alaska plates. This thing's kind of interesting. Very weird spec for sure. Look at this dip though. You just go off that roll off and you're effed. Right into that. Oop. I accidentally locked the doors. The truck let me know. Right into that gutter. All bad. That's not a convertible. It's got that weird vinyl top that they did a lot in the 70s, 60s. I think even in the 80s too. I came around this way and I saw that, but it didn't ping my head as a Mustang. But I forgot it's a Mustang II. A little bit of an oddball. Interesting car though, because they didn't make too many of them if I'm remembering correctly. The video you will have seen was us dropping at that discount tire, that Porsche Panamera. This is directly after that, and he was literally on the other side of the parking lot behind it. So I was here in like 2 minutes. Doesn't sound like it's starting, unless it is on, and it just, oh, it is on, okay. It's very quiet, because it's very stock, I'm guessing. Sounds like a 4-cylinder. Huh. I know fuck all about Mustangs. Oh, what am I doing? Why am I standing on this side? I need to be on this side. Looks like a Pinto. Is it auto or stick?
Auto.
Auto? Okay, we'll just drive it up. Let me get pictures real quick and then we'll have you drive it up, or I can, it doesn't matter.
I'll let you drive it up.
Okay.
I don't want to try this at home. You're a
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, it's really a pretty nice car.
It's very nice.
It's got 26,000 miles.
That's awesome.
I just am done with the old shit.
Right? Done dealing with the high maintenance.
And yeah, that's exactly right.
It needs this, now it needs this. I drove it once and now it needs 4 more things.
Yep.
I'm right there with you.
Are you a bit of a car guy?
I am.
When you get it loaded, I'll show you what I got in there.
That'd be awesome.
Now, do I pay you or
Yeah.
Chris gonna do it?
We can do it either way. Chris can bill us or we can bill you directly. It's the same price either way though.
Let Chris get it.
You've got it, absolutely. And then is the VIN somewhere easy to see? I just need the last 3. Might be in the door. Yeah, way down there. I can get it.
Does that work? Because I've got a...
Yeah, no, it should be good.
I've got a registration there.
834. Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
And then let me get that in there, and then let me put my gloves over here so I don't get your nice interior dirty. All right.
If you want me to pull it up, I can.
It doesn't bother me if you want to. It's up to you.
It's not going to slide, is it?
No, no.
Okay.
Yeah, just when you let off the brake after we put it in park, when we stop, just let off the brake slow. That's the only thing. Keep it straight. There you go, all the way up. There you go. Yep. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Perfect.
Right there?
Parker right there. Window up, leave the key in the ignition. Turn the engine off, obviously. You'd be surprised I have to tell some people that. Set the parking brake too if it's got one.
Yeah.
Perfect. And then just watch your step getting down, let off the brake real slow for me. There you go, perfect. The buzzer will go off when the door's closed, I assume?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good.
Don't lock the door because I only got one key.
You know what? Then I will take that key just in case it locks itself.
It shouldn't, because they're all manual.
You never know.
But.
All right, let me get it tied down and then we'll venture inside.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, thank you. All right.
Chris said he uses you guys a lot.
Yeah, we're their primary as far as I know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we do all their towing. Unless the customer obviously specifies otherwise.
Sure.
You know what? Just because we're in Fountain Hills and all the hills, I'm gonna put the winch on it just in case. Let's see, where am I at? This one, not that one. I guess we'll use this one. I'm just gonna put this around the front lower control arm.
Oh, got it.
Yeah, yeah. Just in case. I don't foresee any issues, but that's when issues happen, is when you're not waiting for them,
right.
you know? Okay. Really isn't anywhere to go on this thing. It's kind of crazy. Nowhere easy at least, but we can get it in this one. Come on. Yeah. Got it. Come on. All right. That thing sounds, excuse me, mean. That thing sounded pretty nasty. Right. Giant slicks on the back tell me it's fun. Alright.
My buddy has the biggest towing company in Alaska.
Oh, very good.
Vulcan Towing.
With a V.
With a V.
I want to say I've heard of them, but there's so many businesses named Vulcan, I feel like.
Yeah, he's he can haul. He can tow semis.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he's
got like heavy hauler stuff.
Yeah.
Very good.
He rescued a semi, went off the road and into the inlet.
Yeah.
And he had to recover.
Oh, wow. That's like a giant rotator and just pick it right up like a crane.
Yeah, that's not going anywhere.
No. Yeah, we do all four wheels, and then I got the winch on the front just as an extra peace of mind.
There you go.
What engine is in these? It's a 4-cylinder, isn't it?
No, this is a V6.
Oh, very good.
With air conditioning.
No way. That's awesome.
So for a 76, this was at
Top of the line.
up there.
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, okay. That's like giant land yacht thing, right? Yeah. Oh, very good.
Co-founder of Microsoft.
Yeah.
And then he's got my 48 Cadillac Series 62.
Even bigger?
No.
No?
No. It's not as big as that 3 Arthur.
Really?
It came out of North Dakota.
Oh, okay.
It was a frame-off restoration.
Very good.
$140,000 worth of
Woo! Yeah, that'll do it. Stables is the place for something like that, for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. Oh, Gia made these?
What's that?
Carmen, or not Carmen Gia, but Gia, the body manufacturer, made these?
No, I think it's just that's the model.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Huh. Let me turn the bed off real quick.
Yep.
There's a Gia badge on the B-pillar. I don't know. No. It came up as laser, and I was like, hopefully that's the right one.
Yeah. So that is
Oh, very good.
That's a Demon 170.
Very good, yeah.
I picked it up last week at Tempe Dodge,
Okay.
and I got a smoking deal.
Very good.
Yeah.
I towed one from Chapman Dodge right off the showroom floor because the guy didn't want to put any miles on it.
No, I didn't. I had this trucked over too.
Yeah.
And I didn't know about you guys. That's an Eldorado 85 with 13,000 miles.
Wow. That's incredible.
And then two.
You said 85, that one?
85.
Very
two
good.
last calls. Swinger.
Oh, dang. That's
Wide
awesome.
body.
Yeah.
Scat packs.
That's amazing.
And that's the new RS6 Avant.
Very good. I love the wagon.
Yeah.
It's the best.
And the 25s, they raised the horsepower about 40.
Wow.
So that car has 621 horse.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
And it's all-wheel drive, isn't it?
All wheel.
That's awesome, man. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
It's backing into the stables. With our Mustang II. Let's see what we can see, sports fans. All right. It does. Runs beautifully. Are these rare? I've seen one or two maybe, like ever. It's one of those survivors that no one cares about type of thing.
Yeah. Good way to put it.
Yeah. I mean, it's immaculate as far as I can tell, but I'm like, I don't even know.
It's a Pinto, I think.
That's, dude, when I pulled up, I swore, that's why I didn't even notice it when I pulled up. I thought it was a Pinto. Yeah. He was saying that the fact that it has AC from the factory is a big deal for back then. I was like, cool.
Yeah, air conditioning was an option back then.
Yeah, that's crazy. Here's the keys before I forget.
Nobody wanted these when they were new.
No. He had an 86 Cutlass there that was in like similar condition with 20-something thousand miles on it. I'm like, that's crazy and it's beautiful, but like, what do you do with that? Like, I don't know. It's cool though. Survivor for sure. It had like a Demon 170 and a couple other like.
Yeah, you told me about that.
Yeah. And that Audi wagon.
I haven't seen that.
It's the Avant. Yeah. That thing's rad, dude. I love those. Huh?
He's a nice guy.
Oh yeah, he was super cool. You see that thing? That giant bug. Right there.
Oh, it's a beetle.
Get out of here. Just fell right on me. I was like, what the hell?
Cockroach.
Oh my god. Just noticed too. Just noticed the tires 185/13. Damn. Alright. Alright. You want to back it down or you want me to? Alright. Yeah, just go slow. Got it? Alright. Right up. Yes, sir. Have a good one. That'll do it. What year did he say this thing was? We're gonna check that right now so I know what to put in the title. Let's see. Oop, shit. Let's see. That's my contacts. Don't want that. 76 Ford Mustang Gia. Gia Mustang II. Alright, see you on the next one.